what will price be doing this week on Btc USD? So I'm gonna analyze what we think price is gonna possibly do this week on Btc USD, and I need you to follow through. So very quickly, we've seen um what happened last week, how price, okay, how price traded this candle the previous week and headed to this high. Okay, see price headed to this high due to um this weekly CRT model, okay, which I've clearly explained in one of my videos on this channel. I'm gonna highlight it somewhere on this video. All right. So before I go into all of this, I'm just going to explain again for those that are going to be seeing this video first. All right. So whenever there is a candle, either bullish or bearish, okay, let's assume that a this is a bearish candle. Okay, it's a red. Let me just see if color it. Let's assume this is a bearish candle. All right, and then it has a high and it has a low. Okay, and then this price on the next candle opens, clears the low of this candle, but it doesn't close below this. It closes inside the range. What do I mean by range? Every candle is a range. Okay, from the highest point of the candle to the lowest point of the candle, that is a range. Okay, so if price here mitigates this low, okay, and doesn't close below it, instead it closes within the range, that is a sign of reversal. So we've talked about this countless times. I'm just going to continue repeating it for now because this channel is fairly new. All right, but then like we saw here, there was this range. Okay, this range, price did what? Mitigates the low, close within the range, and finally takes out the high. All right, we traded this. I dropped an explanation of the trade setup that we took here. Okay, now what did we notice? When price got to the high, when price got to this high, okay, price rejected. Okay, price is what? Rejected. So this is going to form the basis of our analysis for this week. Now the previous week, which was this, okay, had a high which was mitigated. Remember that every candle is a range, so I'm just going to use horizontal lines here to mark this. We are seeing clearly within this range, okay, within this range, this candle range, this price mitigates the high and does what? And doesn't close above it. Okay, comes and close below it. That means that according to the principle, according to the CRT principle or the three candle principle, the next week candle, this will be on the weekly time frame now, so the next week candle, which is meant to be this week, okay, is supposed to clear this low. Okay, there's a possibility that the next week candle will clear this low. Possibility. Remember that we are all spectators on this market. There is nothing that is certain. All right, there's nothing that is certain. You can't say of a sure that price is gonna clear this low. Okay, so we are, now that we've gotten this entire structure on the weekly time frame, we now have to go down to the daily time frame and try to look for either sell reversals or sell continuations. All right. Now, what are we seeing here? What are we seeing on the daily time frame? In fact, let me mark the previous week so that we can easily find it. We can easily find it on the daily charts. Okay. So this was the previous week. Let's now go down. Now, inside this candle, we're trying to find anything that signals a sell reversal from the buy movement. Okay. Anything that signals the sell reversal away from this bullish push up. Okay, and so far we have not seen any actual sell reversal or sell continuation. When I say sell reversal, I mean we have a candle, likely bullish candle, okay, and then we have another candle come clear this high, okay, but doesn't close above it, then close below it. All right. So this is the sell reversal we are looking for. Or we're looking for a continuation pattern, a sell continuation pattern, which is a bearish candle, price comes, clear the low, and close below it. Okay, anything to signal a sell momentum. That's what we're looking for. But so far, what have we seen? No sell reversal. Okay, no sell continuation so far because price mitigated its low and closed within the range. Okay, now the next candle, which was this, price mitigated the low, closed within the range. The next candle, which was this, price mitigated the high and closed within the range. Sorry. So you see, there is no entry for now. Okay, we keep going. The next candle, nothing. Okay, there is no breakout. There is nothing happening here. So, like I said, we want to look for either a either a sell reversal pattern, trigger up, come down, and then we take our entry on the third candle. Okay, or we want to look for a sell continuation pattern. We have price break through the low and close below it. Okay, then we look for a retracement and go down. Okay, so we are not seeing any of these two. We're just been seeing price giving us choppy movements. All of this signifies a what? Consolidation move. Even though it appears to be going downwards, it is a consolidation, a choppy movement, which is not something we want to trade in. Okay, we want to get in on clean movements. Okay, clean movements like this or like this. Okay, so it means that what we're expecting right now on the daily time frame is any of those two instances I've mentioned. If we find any of those two instances I've mentioned, then we now know what to do. Again, since the sell is not confirmed, we can also be expecting a buy. Okay, a buy. So if price goes above this range, probably today's candle or tomorrow's candle, and closes above this range, okay, there is a potential for a buy if we retest it and go up. Okay, so the buyers for daily currently for the BTC USD chart currently it is unconfirmed. There is actually no bias right now. Okay, so we just want to watch how the candle behaves. If this candle also comes down and closes, then we watch for the retest and boom. All right. So there is nothing, there is actually no bias right now on this BTC chart. So we're just going to keep watching it. I'm going to update us. All right. That is that for the BTC. Bye.